Hello everybody and welcome to a new video by Adham Jalal. In this video we'll learn how to create a class with its methods and attributes. But firstly, what is methods and what's attributes? Methods defines the behavior of the object that created by the class, which is instances, okay? While attributes are variables that belongs to this class that's created. So to create a class in Python, we will say class and say its name, students, for example. Okay, and then we will say that we will define our main function, which is def, which is init. Okay, and then we have the self, which is the object, and the first name. So these are attributes, and last name. And then we'll say that self dot first name equals to first name. So when we put here our first name, he will know that the first name is, for example, what we put, and then he will get the object's first name we put. Okay, and then self, and you will see how it will work when we test it. Okay, and self dot last name equals to last name. Okay, so now we'll create an instance of the class or an object. Okay, so we'll say that student1 equals to students. We'll put our attributes. We'll make our first name Adham, our last name Jalal. Okay, and now we want to test if this class is working. So we will say print, okay, student1 dot name, okay, and student1 dot name. So student1 is our object, and it has the attributes of Adham and Jalal, which is the first name and the last name. Okay, and we want to print our first name, which is Adham, and our last name, which is Jalal. So if we run this code, we will find that it will print Adham and Jalal. Okay, I'm waiting. So you'll find that it will write Adam and Jalal, but I not working. Why isn't it working? Okay. So here is it. Adam, which is the first name, students1 first name, and Jalal, which is student1 last name. Okay, but now we want to create another attribute, which is self dot email, and we say that it is equal to the self first name plus a dot plus self dot add gmail.com. Okay, and now we will define a method in this class, which is def get email and self. Okay, so we will say here return self dot email, and we want to check that's working, so we'll come here and print student one dot get email. So if you run this, but I bless it runs faster this time. Here is it. So it printed adhamjalal@gmail.com, which is my email. Okay, thank you for watching. Please, if you don't understand anything in this video, write us in the comment below, and please, if you like this video, subscribe and like to subscribe to our channel and like this video, and bye.